everyone, this is Mr. Hernandez the Tech Teacher. Today I'll show you how to change the background, or also called the wallpaper, of your computer screen. First, let's go Chrome. Up here on the top for the search, or in the middle, you can type in what you want. I will type in soccer wallpapers. Notice that as you type, sometimes the words finish up there. They give you suggestions and you can click on that. Remember, your wallpapers, your backgrounds need to be something appropriate and respectful, and it cannot be something that would be gross, vulgar, meaning bad words, anything that could get you into trouble. So pick something appropriate. So here we go, soccer wallpapers. Press enter. We'll click on images, and I will click on something that, well, I like or want and is appropriate. When you look for your wallpapers, I recommend things that are more rectangular. These are the kind of wallpapers backgrounds that are going to look nice and clear. Anything that's a tiny square or small might not necessarily come out. It could still work, but it might not. So I'm going to click on this first option, left click. I'm going to right click on this picture. I'm going to bring up save image, click on here, left click. My save window is opening up. I'm going to make sure I save these in the downloads section. So here's downloads. Yours might already do that automatically, but I'm going to make sure I'm in the downloads. I'm going to press save. You could give it a name if you want, but I'm just going to press save. Let it download. I'm going to press X here. Maybe I add one more soccer picture. Maybe I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. Right click on the picture, save image. We're going to make sure we're in downloads. I'm still in downloads. I'm going to press save. It's downloading. And then I'm going to press X. And let me do one more actually. I'm going to do one that's kind of tiny so I can show you what I mean as far as changing some settings. I'm going to click on this. File, save image. Press save. Finish downloading and press X. Now I'm going to be on the main page on the blue screen. I'm going to right click on the blue screen, click left click on personalize. In the center, I'm going to see some settings. I'm going to click on browse. Browse means search or find. My screen is just loading. Here's browse in the center. I'm going to click browse. It brings up my other menu. Make sure you're in the downloads because that's where you saved it at. And then hopefully I'm going to change my settings. You don't really have to do this. Yours should show up right away. And you'll want to click on the picture that showed up. Here's mine. You can double click or click on it and press choose picture, whichever. You'll always see a preview of your photo right here on top. Another setting I like to do, let me make this box smaller, is I like to choose fit for a lot of these. When you click on fit, usually it fits nicely. You can also play around with the settings. This setting is tile. Looks pretty neat. Click browse. Let's choose another one. I have a lot of pictures. Here's my other one. Double click. On this one I'm going to choose fit. Fits a little nicer. And I'm going to choose my last one. Browse. I think it was this one. Double click. For this one I will do another tile and show you what that does. Now I have 3 of this picture. I'll go through in all these options. Fill. Stretches it out. So does this stretch one. I'll go back to fit. Fit will give me 1. I did stretch already. Tile, I did that one. Center. Center's kind of like the fit, especially if it's a small picture. That's pretty nice. Span is another one, kind of like stretch or fill. To show you what else I can do with center, if I click on some of these colors, I could customize my colors. And you see in the background, the colors change. If after all these you don't like them and you want to go back to the original should show up here. I'm going to click on it, click on fit, press X, and that's it. That's how you change your background or your wallpapers class. Good luck.